Hey guys, it's Cole from Lads and Cole. I'm back with another video today. Thank you so much for clicking on the channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to get my numbers up clearly, but you know, just subscribe. Like this video and share with your friend, and most importantly, don't forget to leave a comment down below. And without further ado, you guys can read the title. I just revamped this wig to make it look like this. Okay, now let's just get into it. It's so easy to remove, you see, and then just pull off whatever's left. And then once it's rinsed, you will see how it's created basically a new hairline, really focusing on the middle piece here. So I'm gonna go rinse the bleach out, rinse this out, the nair out, and then I'll come back for more. I'm gonna grab my razor now that I have it on and just try to, so this is how it looks like after I took off the little pieces with nair, but you can kind of see that some pieces didn't come off as I wanted, but that's okay because I'm gonna use my razor to remove everything I don't want. So just follow along, it just makes it much more easier. There. And then same thing on this side. You want to get as close to your hairline as possible. Little pieces are going into my eye. No, don't cheese me. Make sure I do the middle. Ooh, I think it's gonna look good. And you know, I have to revamp this wig before I lay it to rest once and for all, you know. I'm just gonna grab our mousse real quick. Grab a hot comb and just push everything back. I just like to have it already in the middle sometimes, or in the style that I want, so that I can see exactly everything is gonna lay, but you don't have to part it. You can do it without parting it. You can do whatever you want, to be honest. Grab my camera. This will lay everything flat. Like, am I the only one who struggles to hot comb the left side? Because I'm right-handed, and because the hot comb is not as, like, the string of it is not as long. Because this hair is a little too wavy, and I know that it won't like work with the style I'm trying to go for, so I need it to be a little flatter. It did whatever it did, but while I'm waiting for that to heat up, I'm just gonna carve up some of the hair here, because I think I want baby hair. Yeah, so here and right here. Oop, I feel like that's too much. I'm just gonna use the same razor and cut these on. There. And I'll put a little baby here to train them. I am definitely not the best at playing with baby hair, but whatever. I'm gonna put some foundation in here. I'm gonna do like waves, so I'm gonna grab like not too little of a section, but just a decent amount like this. Go over it at the roots maybe 2 or 3 times, because again this hair is a little curly, and then hold for like 10 seconds, and then you want to release and then straighten the bottom a bit. So we'll do that throughout. Okay. See, way better. Way better. Now I'm gonna like brush off these baby hair so that it doesn't look so like defined. You just want to gently do it. We're literally like at the end of the video. I never thought I would see this day. Just gonna define my part a little more. And then I'm gonna add some concealer. It looks more real. I like to put this spray in a comb and just comb the very front here, not the baby hair. So remember, you just want to put it at the roots. And then the rest, we are going to comb out, you guys. Tell me if you like, guys, tell me if you like this style. How did I do when it comes to revamping this hair? I have another wig that I'm gonna be revamping soon, but I thought that this was a good experience. I liked it. I really enjoyed it. I think it came out super dope. The hair still has body, like I don't have to lay it to rest. You know what? I think I just need to change the closure and then we'll be good. And then once that closure dies out, I feel like the hair will die out too. And then, you know, we can lay it to rest. But right now, I feel like this wig can still go. I'll just need to find a new closure and reattach it, because this is a closure with 4 bundles or 3 bundles and a half that I sewed into a dome cap. So that's why it looks so damn full. But the closure is like trash. Like c'est fini, come on. We still have body in here. We still have everything. Like, what? Don't throw out your wigs. Experiment. It's a shame that you can't really see the little bits of brown pieces that were highlighted, and that's also because this wig is old and I've dyed it multiple times. I dyed it jet black with box dye, so and our look is legit completed. Thank you so much for chilling with me. I hope you actually, I'm gonna do that standing up. Yeah, I'm gonna do my outro standing up because the girl is hurting. Yeah. Once again, guys, let me know how you feel about this look. I absolutely adore it. I love it. I still feel like the hair has a lot of body. I can't remember exactly where this hair is from, unfortunately. I'm so high. I'm a little high. I am a little high. So I'll show you the top portion so you can see exactly how we went ahead and did this wig justice. But like, the closure is kind of stiff though. I'm not gonna lie, the closure is stiff. Like, it needs a lot of work. Like, I need to be walking around with this all day. Follow me on IG at itscolemb. I will have looks, pics on like this hair and all. You don't have to waste money during quarantine. All you have to do is revamp that wig. That's all you gotta do. Anyways, thank you so much for chilling with me. I appreciate you guys. I love you. Pardon the mess, pardon the different lighting. We are in a weird spring weather like situationship here in Canada. It's supposed to be raining, it was sunny, so I had my ring light. Now I don't have it on because there's a bit of light. You get the gist, you get the gist. But, and honestly, forgive me for playing with my hair. Forgive me. Forgive it up. Okay, bye.